Today, I want you to go outside and snap a shot with your phone of something that strikes your eye. It could be anything: a rock, a flower, a tree. Don't think too much about it, just shoot what you like. Maybe you can even catch a squirrel running by. I also want you to try to identify what you've taken a picture of. Research on your phone and see if you can find it. This is an individual project, so keep your distance from each other as you wander around campus. I really don't want to stumble upon a group of you huddled together shooting the breeze while you're out there. They've done a lot of gardening at the student center lately, so if you all end up there, I don't want you sitting near each other, but you can bring your lunch if you want and picnic at one of the tables while you're working on this. Just space yourselves out. You can spend your time trying to snap one great picture, or feel free to take multiple pictures and then go through your phone and select the one to submit to me.